In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently customize keyboard shortcuts for Copilot commands in your application settings. Customizing shortcuts can significantly boost your productivity by streamlining your workflow, making it quicker and easier to access the features you use most frequently. So let's dive right in and make your Copilot experience as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to open your Copilot or your application settings. This can usually be found in the main menu of your app. If you're having trouble locating it, look for an icon that resembles a gear or simply check under the File or Edit tabs, where settings are often tucked away. Remember, finding this is your gateway to personalizing how your Copilot functions. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of these settings. Next, once you're in the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the keyboard shortcuts section. This section houses all the current shortcut configurations and is the heart of customizing your Copilot commands. This layout may vary depending on the application you're using, but it's typically labeled clearly. In some cases, it might be termed hotkeys or simply shortcuts. Pay close attention here, as the existing shortcuts might be useful, and understanding these will help you decide how to modify them to better suit your style. Now that you've found the keyboard shortcuts section, it's time to customize these shortcuts to suit your needs. Think about which Copilot commands you use most often or find yourself repeating, and strategize how you might make accessing them more intuitive. To customize, there might be a button or an option next to each command that says Edit or Customize. Once you click on this, you can input your desired keystroke combination. Be sure that any combinations you choose don't conflict with existing shortcuts, not just from Copilot, but from any other programs you may be using as well. This helps prevent accidental overrides or unexpected behavior. After you have configured your shortcuts to your liking, make sure to save your changes. Often, this can be done by clicking a Save or Apply button located somewhere on the screen. This step is crucial because if you don't save your changes, you might find yourself repeating the entire process next time, which can be quite frustrating. Finally, the last step is to test out your new shortcuts. Try running through a few scenarios where you would typically use Copilot and see if your shortcuts are functioning as expected. This is your opportunity to tweak anything that doesn't feel quite right or make additional adjustments for better ergonomics or efficiency. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to customizing keyboard shortcuts for your Copilot commands. With these personalized shortcuts, you'll be navigating your application more efficiently and improving your overall workflow in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.